Is that him?
Yeah, that's him.
Wow, okay. Couldn't we just poop on him?
We stick to the plan.
It's just, I wasn't there for the meeting.
It was amazing. They came from everywhere. And when she spoke...
We must act now. If we do nothing, the Earth will become a wasteland of scorched sands and violent seas. Yes, we can fly, but soon there'll be no place worth landing. Politicians pretend there's no crisis. They waste precious time and play games with the lives of their own children. But we are out of time. So today, we lift our wings and take flight for the survival of all living things.
Made me proud to wear feathers. We're up. Yeah.
I can do this. Yep, I can do this.
I'm Mother Nature, and I approve this message.